Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add Spotify to your Opera GX sidebar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add Spotify to your Opera GX sidebar, you don't need to add it as a separate app. All you gotta do is simply go and tap on your Opera GX sidebar, and once you're here you need to simply type in Chrome flags. So once you have typed in Chrome flags, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you gotta do is simply tap on custom user sites to browse sidebar. Once you are here, you need to simply tap on the enable button. So you need to simply set it into an enable mode rather than the default. So once you have enabled it, you need to come and visit the sidebar menu. So once you're in the sidebar, you can see in the bottom of the screen the option to add custom side panel. So once you tap on it, you can find the option of custom side panel, and you need to type in spotify.com. Once you have done this, you will be able to add your Spotify on the sidebar of Opera GX. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.